Industrial fried onion production begins with consistent agricultural volume and mechanical harvesting precision.
Scale farming ensures stable raw material supply for continuous processing.
Mechanical lifting protects bulb structure while maintaining harvest speed.
Initial separation removes field contamination without damaging onion layers.
Bulk handling efficiency determines upstream logistics stability. Time control during transport preserves onion freshness. Processing proximity reduces raw material degradation risk.
Controlled unloading maintains flow balance.
Feed rate synchronization prevents processing congestion. Surface potatoes cleaning. Surface cleaning removes residual soil mechanically. Uniform washing protects onion skin integrity.
Visual screening stabilizes product quality.
Non-conforming raw material is excluded immediately. Automated peeling replaces labor-intensive manual work. Skin removal exposes uniform edible layers. Geometry preparation begins at slicing. Slice thickness consistency defines frying behavior. Form slices ensure even dehydration. Excess surface water disrupts frying stability. Mechanical dehydration improves oil efficiency.
Thermal transformation begins under controlled oil conditions.
Oil temperature governs texture formation.
Continuous frying ensures consistent color development.
Color shift indicates moisture release and crisp formation.
Oil cleanliness stabilizes flavor profile.
Residue removal protects oil lifespan.
Oil removal defines final greasiness. Controlled drainage enhances shelf stability. Thermal stabilization prevents condensation. Cooling precision preserves crisp structure.
Flavor adjustment occurs after moisture equilibrium.
Mechanical mixing replaces manual tossing.
Surface coating remains controlled and light.
Foreign material detection protects consumer safety. Safety enforcement is non-negotiable. Mass consistency defines packaging accuracy.
Portion control supports brand reliability.
Packaging preparation synchronizes with product flow. Fill uniformity protects visual quality. High-speed filling supports large-scale demand. Product settling improves appearance. Closure alignment is automated. Seal strength ensures shelf stability. Oxygen reduction slows oxidation. Packaging integrity is visually verified. Label clarity supports consumer trust.
Adhesion stability protects branding.
Traceability is permanently recorded. Automated inspection eliminates human error. Secondary packaging optimizes logistics. Pack integrity improves transport safety. Thermal shrink stabilizes package geometry.
Packaging shape is fixed.
Carton structure protects product. Sealing prevents movement during transport. Automation supports volume scalability. Load stability is enforced. Inventory formation begins. Digital tracking supports distribution accuracy.
Material movement remains controlled.
Outbound logistics activate. Product exits the factory environment. Transport integrity is maintained. Product appearance reflects processing discipline. Visual transparency builds confidence.
Product uniformity supports market trust.
Traceability remains visible.
Continuous operation defines industrial capacity. Process stability is actively monitored. Tool readiness prevents downtime.
Oil management protects flavor.
Hygiene protocols. Hygiene protocols protect brand reputation. Environmental control remains active. Output resumes without delay. The line never pauses. demand extends beyond daylight.
This is industrial fried onion.
Global distribution is prepared. Systems align. Scale sustains production. Seal integrity is visible.
Production meets consumption demand.
Brand clarity supports recognition. Storage stability protects shelf life.
Environmental control remains constant.
Market readiness is achieved.
Texture reflects precise control.
Inside the industrial fried onion factory.